Welcome to JK Career Lab, your go-to place for learning AI tools, tech skills, and career growth strategies. If you want to stay ahead in today's digital world, make sure you subscribe and be part of this journey. Imagine an AI that can read hundreds of pages in seconds, write like a human, help you code, and even guide your career decisions. Sounds powerful, right? Well, that AI already exists, and it's called Claude AI. In today's video, we're going to understand what Claude AI is, how it works, and how you can use it to improve your skills, productivity, and even your income. Claude AI is an advanced chatbot developed by Anthropic. It is designed to help users with tasks like writing, problem-solving, coding, and analyzing information. Just like ChatGPT, Claude can have conversations and answer questions, but it focuses more on safety and deep understanding. The company behind Claude AI, Anthropic, was founded by former researchers from OpenAI. Their mission is to create AI systems that are helpful, honest, and safe for everyone to use. Now let's talk about what makes Claude AI special. One of its biggest strengths is its ability to handle very long documents. You can upload PDFs, notes, or reports, and Claude can summarize them quickly and accurately. This makes it extremely useful for students, researchers, and professionals. Another important feature is its natural conversation style. When you interact with Claude, it feels more like talking to a human rather than a machine. This makes it easier to understand complex topics. Claude is also very helpful for coding. Whether you are a beginner learning programming or an experienced developer, it can assist you in writing, debugging, and understanding code. One more key feature is its strong focus on safety. Claude is designed to avoid harmful, misleading, or biased responses, making it a more reliable AI tool in many situations. Now let's compare Claude AI with ChatGPT. Claude is particularly strong when it comes to handling long documents and deep analysis. On the other hand, ChatGPT offers more integrations and a wider ecosystem of tools. Claude focuses more on safe and controlled responses, while ChatGPT is more flexible and widely used. Both are powerful tools, and the best choice depends on your needs. So how can you use Claude AI in your daily life? If you are a student, you can use it to summarize notes and understand concepts faster. If you are into content creation, you can write blogs, scripts, and social media posts. If you are preparing for a job, you can practice interviews and improve your resume. And if you are into business, you can generate ideas and automate tasks. The possibilities are endless. Now comes the most interesting part. Can you earn money using Claude AI? The answer is yes. You can start freelancing in content writing or copywriting, create YouTube scripts, build digital products, or even automate parts of a business. AI is not replacing jobs. It is changing how work is done. And those who learn to use AI early will always have an advantage. However, Claude AI is not perfect. Sometimes it may provide incorrect information, and it currently has fewer integrations compared to ChatGPT. That's why it's always important to verify critical information before using it professionally. To conclude, Claude AI is one of the most advanced AI tools available today. Whether you are a student, job seeker, or content creator, learning how to use tools like Claude can help you grow faster and stay ahead in your career. The future belongs to those who understand and use AI effectively. So start learning today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to JK Career Lab. We bring you the best content on AI tools, tech skills, and career growth. And let me know in the comments, which AI tool should we cover next?